Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got a domain on Hostinger and want to use it for your Framer website. In this video, I will walk you through how to connect your Hostinger domain to Framer step by step in just 5 minutes. First of all, go to framers.com, then log into your account, click projects. From your dashboard, go to settings tab. Now sorry for that. Go to uh, open your project here from here. Then scroll down or go to settings. Look like gear icon at the top. Now scroll down. Then from the left sidebar, click domain section. Now you will see the custom domain name option. Add click connect a domain you own, this one. Then enter your domain here, like your site.com. Framer will show two DNS records, a record pointing to an IP address, CNAME record, usually for the www subdomain. Now let's add these records to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account and go to domain section from your Hostinger account dashboard. Then go to domain, then manage for the domain you want to connect. Click on DNS or zone editor. Now add a record, type a name points to, paste your Framer IP from this section in your Hostinger account. Add CNAME record, CNAME type CNAME, name www points to, hosting.framer.app. Then click save or update. For each record, that's it. Your domain is now pointing to Framer. Return to Framer and go to domain settings, then click verify from here next to your domain. It might take a few minutes or up to 24 hours for DNS to fully update. Once verified, your site will be live at your Hostinger domain. If you added both the root domain and www, choose one as the primary domain in Framer and enable automatic redirect to avoid duplicate URLs. And that's how you connect a Hostinger domain to your Framer website in just a few steps. Like and subscribe if this helped, and let me know in the comments if you want a guide for connecting domains from GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains next. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.